Village, and we're going to highlight some independent businesses. We're going to check out a vinyl record store, we're going to get some spices, we're going to get some Indian food, and then get some tea at Physical Graffiti. And you can see we got the Led Zeppelin album, Physical Graffiti, and we're right here on St. Mark's. Physical Graffiti is the 6th studio album by Led Zeppelin and was released as a double album in 1975. The die-cut sleeve was designed by Peter Corriston, who decided to feature the tenement buildings spanning 96 and 98 St. Mark's Place because they were symmetrical with interesting details and would fit the square album cover. Records on East 6th Street by Avenue A was founded in 1996, and they have a really well-curated selection of used vinyl records in all genres. They're really well known among DJs who go crate digging in here. We're going to go inside and check it out. A1's prices are really fair, and they even sell bargain 45s for $1. The staff is super helpful and everything is really organized.
They have a whole section just devoted to Larry Levan, who spun at the famous Paradise Garage.
At A1 Records, fresh crates of vintage vinyl arrive daily, so be sure to go crate digging often. A1 Records has built relationships with many DJs and artists who would scour the crates for the breaks, riffs, and samples that became the foundations of modern hip-hop.
So if there is a record, you know, that's kind of like about like DJ culture, you know, Latin music in like the Lower East Side.
This is it.
You know, the early 80s in this neighborhood. This is this one. There's a disco cut on it called Hot to Trot that he played. He also played my favorite thing.
A1 Records is definitely one of the best record shopping experiences in the city. Block Truck Store has one of our favorite neon signs dating back to the 1940s.
It looks good any time of day.
Milon on First Avenue by East 6th Street has been in business since 1982. And it's called Milon because in the Bangladeshi language, Milon means a coming together or gathering. And it's 4 brothers and sisters that founded this restaurant. So it has a special meaning to them because they were coming together to form a business. So that's why they called it Milon. And people think that Indian food is like very spicy, but it's not true. Here at Milon, you can get like mild items and you can get spicy items, a little bit of both. So we're gonna go inside and check it out because it's really a feast for your eyes. It's so over the top with lights and decorations, and it started all from the celebration of the Festival of Lights, Diwali, and then it grew from there. We will be coming back to eat at Milon this evening, so stick around. Dual Specialty Store on First Avenue by East 6th Street has been in business since 1989, and they specialize in all things spices, and they have their own label of different spices, really great selection, sometimes hard to find one, so I'm going to go inside and check it out. Dual Specialty Store's mission is to make the community more aware of Indian culture and cooking, with a large selection of spices, herbs, salts, rices, beans, legumes, oils, and flours, and some fresh ingredients including fresh curry leaves. Spices are the star at the shop, which sells more than 400 herbs and spices from South America to Europe to India, and even some Native American herbs. Hey Jim!
Hi, what's up, guys? Hey, doggy.
Jim Power began creating his historic mosaic trail through the East Village when he returned from military service in Vietnam in the 1980s. Over the years, he's estimated to have created over 70 mosaic poles. Milon and Pana 2 and Royal Bangladesh restaurants, along with the Dual Specialty Store, are among the few small businesses which remain today from this area, which was once known as Little India. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, there were 26 Indian restaurants along 6th Street, and even spilling out onto 1st and 2nd Avenues. Hey guys, we're back at Milon. We dropped Hudson off at home, and we're here to enjoy some authentic Indian dinner. We're starting with papadam. It's like a pre-appetizer. It's their little flatbread. Oh, cool! And aloo paratha also arrived. This is a little sauce. They come with these condiments that you can put on it. We like the cilantro. Extra good. And because this arrived, this is our first appetizer. This is aloo paratha, and it has like mashed potato and onion. So we've been coming here since definitely the 1980s. In fact, we had one of our first dates here. We always try to sit at this front table because you have a nice view of the street. Even, you kind of have to look through all the lights, but there's a nice view of the street. So this is the puri. It's a flatbread, and it's fried all puffy. And that's another appetizer. This is one of our main courses. We're still waiting on another one. This is our chicken tikka masala. So you can see. Oh, here it comes.
Chicken tikka tandoori.
Chicken tikka tandoori, yes, thank you. Here, I'll move the. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now we have our whole feast.
Oh, this looks great.
Oh, it's so amazing. All entrees at Milon are served with basmati rice, dal, red onion chutney, and steamed cabbage dotted with caraway seeds. At Milon, it's BYOB, and you can get beer just downstairs at the Dual Specialty Store that we were in before. Milon's a great place to celebrate your birthday, as they'll sing to you as they bring a free tiny bowl of mango ice cream with a lit candle for you to make a wish. Even if it's not your birthday, you can just celebrate your birthday like we did.
Milon app's here. Hey, how's the dog?
Oh, he's good, thank you. We always eat at Milon, but there definitely is a healthy competition between the 3 neighboring restaurants to attract customers walking by. Every night, the servers at all 3 restaurants stand outside their respective front doors, trying to entice and literally pull in passerbys to come inside and dine.
Panda, come on! Come on!
Physical Graffiti was founded in 2001 by Alana Malka, who owned a vintage clothing store for many years in the same ground floor space. She named the shop Physical Graffiti because it's located in the building featured on the famous Led Zeppelin album cover for Physical Graffiti. Physical Graffiti sells over 200 kinds of tea by the ounce, cup, or pot, including black, green, white, oolong, fruit teas, herbal, and medicinal blends, which are carefully sourced for flavor and freshness.
But this one's more tart than it smells. And then this one is a lot sweeter.
We opted to try one of their full special blends of tea.
It's good?
So this is the nutty apple, and we're letting it steep for a few minutes so we get the full flavor, but you can really smell like the beautiful aroma. Physical Graffiti is a great place to sit and relax while sipping tea. We even purchased a few bags of tea to take home with us. What a great day and night we had in the East Village. We went crate digging for vinyl, we had spices, we got some Indian food, and some delicious tea. What a fun-filled day and evening. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. You may also enjoy watching some of our other East Village videos, including our Taste of Italy food tour and our Vintage and Vinyl tour. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!